Hello everyone, today in this video we will discuss how to fix camera not focusing on Realme 16. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on apps. After click on apps, click on app management. After click on app management, scroll down and click on camera app. After click on camera app, if you want to fix this problem, so click on force stop. After click on force stop, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, go to app library and click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on system and update. Click on backup and reset and click on reset phone and click on reset all settings. Enter phone pin. Again click on reset. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, so click on camera app. After click on camera app, click on this 3-line icon and click on settings. Now in camera settings, scroll down to end. Here showing you camera reset. Click on reset and you will see your problem is solved. So that's how you can fix camera not focusing on Realme 16. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.